how to clean your MP1 piston pen. Please note, never clean the pen under running water. You may risk damaging the rubber ring. Use lukewarm water and flush the ink with a few turns of the piston. Change the water until it starts to get clear. You can also add some Monteverde pen flush. The pen flush can help to remove stubborn ink particles. Make sure to flush the ink out fully and use another round of water to clear any residues. Now you can fill the MP1 with your new choice of ink. Your pen is now clean and filled with new ink and ready to write.